Intermittent fasting has been very popular in the media of fat loss, specifically a diet that restricts a time window where an individual can eat, often referred to as time-restricted feeding. There are many different types of intermittent fasting, such as 16-8 or 5-2 method, which means there is a 16-hour of fasting window and 8 hours of eating window, or 5 hours of fasting window and 2 hours of eating window, depending on which one you choose to do. That's why in this video, I'm going to be sharing 10 evidence-based health benefits of intermittent fasting. So stick with me till the end of the video. Hey guys, welcome back to Think Theory, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos on health, productivity and lifestyle. Starting with benefit number 1, which is intermittent fasting changes the function of cells, genes and hormones. When you don't eat for a while, several things happen in your body. For example, your body initiates important cellular repair processes and changes the hormone levels to make stored food fat more accessible. Let's take a look at some of the changes that occur in your body during fasting. First is insulin level. Your body levels of insulin drop significantly, which facilitates fat loss. Second, human growth hormone. During fasting, the level of growth hormones in your blood may increase as 5 times. Higher level of this hormone facilitates fat burning and muscle gain, and also have numerous other benefits. Third, cellular repair. While you are fasting, your body induces important cellular repair processes such as removing waste materials from cells. And fourth is gene expression. Fasting provides beneficial changes in several genes and molecules related to longevity and protection against diseases. In fact, many of the benefits of intermittent fasting are related to these changes in hormones, gene expression, and function of cells. Benefit number 2 is intermittent fasting can help you lose weight and belly fat. Many of the people who try intermittent fasting are doing it in order to lose weight, and that probably be the reason you decided to click on this video. Generally speaking, intermittent fasting will make you eat fewer meals. Additionally, intermittent fasting enhances hormones function to facilitate weight loss. Lower insulin levels, higher growth hormone level, and increased amount of norepinephrine all increase the breakdown of body fat and facilitate its use for energy. For this reason, short-term fasting actually increases your metabolic rate by 3.6 to 14% by helping you burn even more calories. According to 2014 review of scientific literature, intermittent fasting can cause weight loss of 3 to 8% over 3 to 24 weeks, and this is a huge amount. One review study also showed that intermittent fasting caused less muscle loss than continuous calorie restriction. All things considered, intermittent fasting can be incredibly powerful weight loss tool. The third benefit of intermittent fasting is that it can reduce insulin resistance, which lowers your risk of type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes has become incredibly common in recent decades, and its main feature is high blood sugar levels in the context of insulin resistance. Anything that reduces insulin resistance should help lower blood sugar levels and protect against type 2 diabetes. Interestingly, intermittent fasting has been shown to have major benefits for insulin resistance and lead to an impressive reduction in blood sugar levels. One study in diabetic rat also showed that intermittent fasting protected against kidney damage, which is one of the most severe complications of diabetes. So what this implies is that intermittent fasting may be highly protective for people who are at risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Fourth benefit is that it can reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Oxidative stress is one of the steps towards aging and many chronic diseases. It involves unstable molecules called free radicals which react with other important molecules like protein and DNA and damage them. Several studies show that intermittent fasting may enhance the body's resistance to oxidative stress. Studies have also shown that intermittent fasting can help to fight inflammation, which is another key driver for all sorts of common diseases. Fifth benefit of intermittent fasting is that it may be beneficial for your heart health. Heart disease is currently the world's biggest killer. It is known that various health risk factors are associated with either an increased or decreased risk of heart disease. Intermittent fasting has been shown to improve numerous risk factors including blood pressure, total LDL cholesterol, blood triglycerides, inflammatory markers, and blood sugar levels. Therefore, studies show that intermittent fasting can improve numerous risk factors for heart disease such as blood pressure, cholesterol level, triglycerides, and inflammatory markers. Sixth benefit of intermittent fasting is that it can induce various cellular repair processes. When we fast, the cells in the body initiates a cellular waste removal process called autophagy. This involves the cell breaking down and metabolizing broken and dysfunctional proteins that builds up inside cells over time. Increased autophagy may provide protection against several diseases, including cancer and Alzheimer's diseases. Seventh benefit is that it may help to prevent cancer. Cancer is a terrible disease characterized by uncontrolled growth of cells. Fasting has been shown to have several beneficial effects on metabolism that may lead to reduced risk of cancer. Although human studies are needed, promising evidence from animal studies indicate that intermittent fasting may help prevent cancer. There is also some evidence on human cancer patients showing that fasting reduced various side effects of chemotherapy. Eighth, intermittent fasting is good for your brain. What is good for your body is often good for the brain as well. Intermittent fasting improves various metabolic features known to be important for brain health. This includes reduced oxidative stress, reduced inflammation, and a reduction in blood sugar levels and insulin resistance. Several studies in rats show that intermittent fasting may increase the growth of new nerve cells, which should have benefits for brain function. It also increases levels of brain hormone called brain-derived neurotrophic factors, BDNF, a deficiency of which has been implicated in depression and various other brain problems. Ninth benefit is intermittent fasting may help prevent Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is the world's most common neurodegenerative disease. There is no cure available for Alzheimer's, so preventing it from showing up in the first place is critical. A study in rats showed that intermittent fasting may delay the onset of Alzheimer's disease or reduce its severity. In a series of case reports, a lifestyle intervention that includes daily short-term fasts was available to significantly improve Alzheimer's symptoms in 9 out of 10 patients. However, more research in a human is needed. 10th and the last benefit of intermittent fasting is that it may extend our lifespan, helping us live longer. One of the most exciting applications of intermittent fasting may be its ability to extend lifespan. Studies in rats have shown that intermittent fasting extends lifespan in a similar way as continuous calorie restriction. In some of these studies, the effects were quite dramatic. In one of them, rats that fasted every other day lived 83% longer than rats who were not fasted. Although this is far from being proven in humans, intermittent fasting has become very popular among the anti-aging crowd. Given the known benefits for metabolism and all sorts of health markers, it makes sense that intermittent fasting could help you live longer and a healthier life. Alright guys, these are 10th benefits of intermittent fasting. First, it changes the function of the cells, genes, and hormones. Second, it can help you lose weight and belly fat. Third, it can reduce insulin resistance, lowering your risk of type 2 diabetes. Fourth, it can induce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Fifth, it can be beneficial for heart health. Sixth, it can induce various cellular repair processes. Seventh, it can help to prevent cancer. Eighth, it is good for your brain. Ninth, it can prevent from Alzheimer's disease. And 10th, it can extend your lifespan, helping you live longer. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you make it so far, tell us in the comment section on what topic you want me to make next video and which of the benefits you like the most. I would love to hear what you guys think. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos on health, lifestyle, and productivity. And I will see you in next one. Peace.